People, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's another hair video and I am super excited. What are we gonna do to your hair today?
We are going to take down the cornrows.
Yay! We are taking down the cornrow. So this is our back to school cornrow, quick cornrow to do. Very simple hairstyle to do, just 2 steps. 1, 2. I don't know if I've uploaded this video. I'm going to check if I've really uploaded this video. But then this cornrow is a week-old cornrow, so I'm going to be taking it down this weekend because we have to make another back-to-school hairstyle tomorrow. So people, enjoy the rest of the video. So this process is how I actually take down the cornrow. I have my comb. So to take down your cornrow, you have to be extra careful because you don't want the hair to break. For example, you have to take it step by step. So according to how the cornrow is, that way you just take it step by step. I'm going to zoom this video because it's kind of look a little bit far. So I'm going to zoom it so you guys can see how exactly I take down the cornrow. Now when I get to this part, I like to use my hands without using the comb. Let me zoom the video so that you can see what I'm talking about. So guys, so let's take down this particular cornrow. So we are going to start step by step. Some people might not be patient enough to really follow the steps, you know, of this cornrow to take down the cornrow, especially this braided side. Some people just want to jump steps. Some want to jump steps. You know, when you jump steps, it's gonna be hard for you to really take it down. You know, see, you might achieve it, but then it might cause some breakage of the hair. So for me, I like to follow step by step, and when I get to this part, I will use my hand to take down the cornrow part of the hair. So the braid part of the hair, just, you know, follow the process step by step. And then this other part, just use your hand to like kind of detangle it, because when you use your hand, it makes it's softer on the hair. It will not cause breakage because you're not applying so much pressure on it. So using your hand is much easier. If you also want to use the comb, just make sure you follow it step by step. Just do what works for you, but at the end of the day, try to be gentle with the hair. Okay guys, so just enjoy the rest of the video.